Hello guys, and welcome again to the third video on this channel. I'm going to show you today two trades that I took. One that was on NQ and it was a break-even, and the second was on gold, and I will walk you through the executions and everything, the trade management and everything. So let's jump directly to the record and see the trades and the live trading. So today, since the open of this daily candle, NQ keeps making new highs, so I was looking for longs, exactly, not for shorts. Here I was waiting for some sort of a retracement to a PD array so I can long off of it. Here I spotted a 5-minute fair value gap. I waited for the 5-minute candle to close so I can confirm that that low is protected, just like the setup that I shared with you in the first video. So here I took my position here with 7 micro contracts of NQ. Here my stop, I put it under the 1-minute order block low, which is the only PD array in the 1 minute here. So it needs to hold since we are extremely bullish. So here we are seeing some sort of displacement. I put my target, which is a 4-hour high. I put my partials at the -4 of the standard deviations. Here we just switched the recent high, so I'm break even here. There is no need to keep the risk on the table. Here I thought this low would hold, but it did not. But no problem. It didn't hit my break even. Here we just tapped into the order block in the 1 minute, so we need to not deliver to the sellers. All right, here we are seeing some more displacement. I wrote there trailing to the recent low once we take the recent high. Here I just spotted this bullish breaker block, which is a strong PD array, and here we will retrace, tap the breaker block for the first time, and then range a little, and then we will retap the breaker block. Here, after we took the high, I trailed my stop on profits, and here I got edged. My partials order didn't get filled, and I will unfortunately be stopped at break even. This was the first trade. Let's jump to see the second trade that I made like $900 on it. So for the second trade, I decided to go a little aggressive on the risk since we're still on the evaluation phase of this challenge, so I don't need to waste more time. So I decided to take this trade after a 1-hour candle tapped into a 1-hour order block on gold, which is extremely bullish as well for today. So I decided to enter under the 10 a.m. open of the 4-hour and 1-hour candle, so I can be in the discounted prices to long. In the beginning, I saw this great displacement. I thought that we will deliver just directly to the target, but after a while, market made a new low and dumped a lot more under the 10 a.m. open, but I'm still holding that trade. I'm trusting this trade. So here we are suffering a little bit of drawdown. After a while, at the last 10 minutes of that 10 a.m. candle, we saw a displacement, and we're back on profits, hoping that we can see some displacement. And there it is, the 11 a.m. candle. We made here the low, and we are seeing this great bullish candle that puts us in profits again. So here we keep displacing more and more. I wasn't in front of my screen at this moment. I needed to trail my stop to the recent high, but no problem, since we already delivered to the target. I put my target there. It was just a random target since I want to make 1,100 to not miss the consistency rule, which is 40%, by the way. So here we will deliver directly to the target. And there we go. Bang. Here I just wanted to show you what happened on NQ after I got stopped at break even here, around here, and then market made a new low and then a new high and that into the -4 exactly here, and then dumped a lot lower. So we see that these standard deviations played out perfectly, but I wasn't on NQ that moment to capture this stop tick, but it was good to just spot it with you. This was my target for the partials. I pushed partials there just in case something like this happens. And this is all. So let's just take a look at the stats of the account right now. We are sitting at nearly $1,100 after we covered that loss of Friday, and hoping to see better for this week. This is all. Thank you for watching, and talk to you later.